Hello, Peter Fenn here. I'm in the Qualcomm booth and I want to show from Tria Technologies the Vision AI Kit 6490. This is a developer platform. It's also exposing the SMARC standard Q6, so Dragonwing Q6 compute module that we provide. And we're showing some examples here, running 6 different models for 2 different cameras. So each camera we can set up a specific application. So in this case, on the left-hand side, I'm launching classification, and on the right-hand side is segmentation. And at the same time, we're profiling down the bottom the utilization of the different resources and also monitoring the temperature of the device. So this is, as I say, available as a bundled kit, and you can go to the Tria Technologies website as well as the Avnet distribution partners, EBV, Silica, and Avnet in the Americas. Thank you.